You want to go on YouTube, but you're stuck between posting short videos or posting long form videos, wondering which one of them will actually grow your channel faster and which one will actually make your viewers fall in love with your content. Let's settle this wahala once and for all, because I've tried both and this is the real truth. When it comes to growth speed, shorts win. Yes, I will explain. When you talk about growth speed, YouTube shorts are like speed dating. Shorts are quick, easy, and exciting. You go from 0 subscribers to 1,000 subscribers faster than NEPA takes light. One viral shot and you are in people's faces. But let's be honest, those same people that watch your shorts, half of them won't even bother to click on your long form videos because they came for a 15 seconds vibe and not 8 minutes of gist. Yes, a lot of people prefers watching short videos than actually sitting down. They find long form videos as boring. Like you sit down straight and watch a video for 8 minutes. Some persons find it boring. So yes, of the truth, short gives you faster numbers and not loyal fans. Now let's talk money. You notice during your long form videos, ads actually pops up. That is AdSense. Those are people that have paid for adverts. And when you watch these adverts to the end, depending on how many adverts you get on your video, you actually get paid for them. Okay, but when it comes to shorts, you don't get adverts because shorts, of course, are always very short. That is why they are called short. And these advertisers don't advertise using in shorts, right? They always advertise in long form videos. So the longer your video is, the more adverts you get, the higher you earn from that video. So when it comes to earning on YouTube, long form videos actually attracts more pay to shorts. Shorts, you don't get paid. You just get paid for your short. You get paid for the number of views you have from your short. But when it comes to your long form videos, you are talking about your views. You're talking about ads. You get paid for your ads and also for your number of views. So long form video is still winning. And also, brands will also prefer to work with people who make long form videos. Why? Because they see you more on screen. They see your ability. They see what you can do. When these brands watch you in longer videos, they see your ability to deliver. Okay, so they would actually want to work with you because they trust you. Brands also prefer working with long form videos. Why? Because they get time to see your personality, your influence, and how you carry your message. Shorts are improving when it comes to CPM. Yes, but long form videos still holds the bag. Let's look at the third one. Viewers connection. How do you connect with your viewers? Who really feels you more? So let me ask you, who will you trust the most? Someone you've watched for 8 minutes or someone that just made you laugh in 15 seconds? Long form videos actually helps you build trust and authority. In long form videos, you tell stories, you solve problems, and you show your face and people hear your voice consistently. So we still win. People subscribe not just for the content, they subscribe for you. Shorts might bring them in, but long form videos is what makes them stay. Let's look at the winning strategy. So what's the smart move in 2025? Use shorts as bait. Use long videos to build. Turn every long form video you have into 2 to 3 shorts. Let your shorts pull people in and let your long form videos seal the deal. In that way, you get best of both worlds. You get the best from shorts and long form videos. Remember, exposure, engagement, then earning. If this video helped you, abeg, don't ghost me. Hit that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me in the comments, are you team short or long form videos? Because if I catch you doing just short with no long form videos in your channel, I will personally come to your comments to remind you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.